Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the getsockopt error in Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for ncpa.cpl and open it. You will see your network connections. Select your active network, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click on it and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable to reset the connection. Next, right-click your network again and click on Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8888 as the preferred DNS and 8844 as the alternate DNS. These are Google DNS servers. Click OK to save changes. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try connecting again, as VPNs can cause this issue. So that's basically how you can fix the getsockopt error in Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks!